How to use the bench boost and triple captain chips in your fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, and let's get started. First of all, you need to get logged in into your PL account. For this, you can either visit the website or the application. Once that is done, tap on the fantasy which is on the bottom center and then click on pick team. Here you will see the option of triple captain. Tap on it to activate and use it. And you should be good to go. This way, your captain points are tripled instead of doubled in the next game week. If you want to use it on some other player, just tap on the player and then click on captain option. This will now switch the position, and this way, if you tap on triple captain, that specific user will have this gain. This is the way for triple captain. Now, if you want to check for bench boost, tap on the bench boost option which is on the left screen on the left side. Once you tap on it, the points scored by your bench players in the next game week are included in the total. Tap on OK and it will be activated. So this is all for today's video. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you'd like to see next. Also, do not forget to subscribe for more such tips and tricks. Thank you and keep watching.